Good evening. We hope you're all well. We are Founders Path Consulting. My name is Michaela, and along with me are Lee, Sydney, and Reina. And we are thrilled to present our performance management proposal for Stylebox, really help tailor your success. To describe us as a consulting firm, we are a small, focused firm of 4 analysts with a master's in IO Psych and 2 with PhDs in leadership. We specialize in aligning employee performance with customer satisfaction, and we have a proven track record of helping customer-focused organizations overcome challenges. One of the key steps to reach a strategic partnership with our client is to understand our client's challenges and how we can implement our expertise. We understand that Stylebox is a global leader in personal styling, but is facing declining customer satisfaction scores. So the ultimate goal is to enhance employee performance, provide actionable feedback, and build a robust performance management system focusing on competency identification, rater training, and goal alignment. Here at Founders Path, with our proven expertise in performance management, advanced academic qualifications, and most importantly, our successful partnerships with similar organizations, we are confident to help achieve these goals and beyond. Let's take a look at 2 of our clients. At 2021, we consulted Fashion Fix over what they should do with inconsistent customer support quality, where we performed a comprehensive work analysis and embedded job simulations in the performance system. Within 6 months, Fashion Fix experienced not only a 25% increase in customer satisfaction, Fashion Fix has also experienced improved employee engagement by 40%. Over to our next client, Catwalk. We have tailored performance measures to help tackle the issue of inefficiencies in customer support and high turnover. Within a year, Catwalk experienced a 20% reduction in resolution times, which is 5 less minutes on average, and a 30% increase in customer retention. At Founders Path, we take a focused, results-driven approach to support Stylebox in enhancing customer satisfaction for performance improvement. We start with a rigorous work analysis to identify key competencies essential for success. Using this foundation, we implement innovative tools like job simulations and a critical incident-based evaluations to gain deeper insights into employee performance. To ensure lasting impact, we provide ongoing manager training, empowering leaders to drive performance and align employee behaviors with Stylebox's customer satisfaction objectives. Our goal is clear: to connect daily actions to measurable outcomes, creating a stronger link between employee performance and customer experience. As we go into our next steps, we want to express that we are ready to help Stylebox redefine excellence in personal styling services, and we are open to any questions or clarifications. We are so excited about this potential partnership, and we know we can achieve collaborative success. Our expected outcomes within this collaboration is to empower customer support agents and team leads, to improve service delivery and customer satisfaction, and do all of that through measurable and sustainable improvements aligned with Stylebox's goals. Now, my coworker Lee will go over the work analysis, which is part of our technical approach.
Thank you, Michaela. My name is Lee Wiles, and I'm here to talk about Founders Path's first step in creating a performance management system. The foundation for any effective performance management system is a great job analysis. A job analysis will help build a detailed understanding of the overall work performed by your customer service agents and how day-to-day operations go for them. At Founders Path, we specialize in helping companies like Stylebox figure out exactly what it takes for employees to succeed in their roles. And here's what that looks like. We will focus on identifying the tasks, skills, and behaviors that are essential for great performance in the customer service role. This helps us zero in on what's most important for your customer support teams. We work to clearly define the knowledge and tools your employees need to perform at their best. This gives you a clear picture of what's required to support them. This understanding will be used to create a strong foundation for a performance system that aligns your employees' day-to-day work with your goals for customer satisfaction and team success. We do know that StyleBox operates across the globe, so our approach is designed to work seamlessly across our locations in the United States, Germany, Japan, and South Africa. Our process is flexible and remote-friendly, making it easy to include everyone. To gather the right information, we use 3 simple methods. Starting with interviews, where we talk directly with employees and managers to understand their experiences at StyleBox. Our focus groups will be gathering customer service agents for group discussions to hear from teams about what works and what doesn't. Our online surveys will help collect input from a wide range of people and spot trends in the organization. This way, we make sure we're capturing the full picture, what's happening on the ground, what employees need, and what you want to achieve as a company. After the work for the work analysis has been completed, we will share our findings with StyleBox. We begin by providing a detailed report that clearly outlines the critical tasks your employees perform, the measures of success, and a framework of skills and behaviors that they need to excel. This report serves as the blueprint for everything that follows, giving you clarity on where to focus to drive results. But we know that simply handing over a report isn't enough. That's why we take the time to present our findings to StyleBox leadership, including visualized metrics and measures of our findings. This is a collaborative process where we explain the insights, answer your questions, and ensure everything is aligned with your vision. Together, we'll discuss how this framework can be adapted to meet the specific needs of your teams and your business. Ultimately, the goal of this work analysis is to give StyleBox a customized, actionable performance management system, one that empowers your employees to thrive and ensures your customers receive the outstanding service they expect. With this strong foundation, we'll have the tools to create a system that supports both immediate improvements and long-term success. This is simply the first step of our partnership with you to build a system that works for your people, your goals, and your customers. This work analysis will provide the foundation necessary for an effective and enduring performance management system. Once our work analysis is complete, the performance management system can be developed, which I will hand over to Sydney to explain. Sydney?
Thank you, Lee. I'm Sydney, and I will be going over the other part of our technical approach, the performance management system. A performance management system is a vital organizational tool for ensuring that employees in the organization grow and succeed together through clear expectations, regular feedback, and continuous development. To achieve this goal together, we would like to walk through 4 different phases. First off, we'll start by evaluating StyleBox's customer support team in order to develop a structured framework which would be based off key performance areas identified from our evaluations. Some examples of this could be communication, problem solving, relationship management. These key performance areas would also be used to develop objective measures such as behavioral checklists or observation evaluations. The end product would allow StyleBox to identify improvement areas, align employee goals with customer satisfaction, and strengthen the team accountability. An example of our comprehensive approach would be the 3 different components of the performance management tool, which is comprised of 3 different scores. One gained from an observational or behavioral checklist, the supervisor rating based on recorded customer interactions, and finally, the average customer satisfaction scores. Here we have 2 examples. One would be the evaluation form, which could be a customer satisfaction survey based off of an incident report. These would all be automatically integrated into our dashboard, so that way everyone has a quick snapshot of how the customer support team is performing. Now, connecting this all back to our job analysis phase, where the key tasks, skills, and behaviors were identified, and those findings were then analyzed and integrated into our performance management tool. This brings us to the last crucial phase, alignment. This is where we validate and verify the competencies from the job analysis and performance review. Now, lastly, I do want to make sure that we're answering the question that I'm sure is on everyone's mind, which is the timeline of this project. So keeping in mind that the target goal of 52 weeks, we broke it down into 3 phases. Our first phase, which is our work analysis, where we identify and initiate the project and select participants for interviews, focus groups, and surveys. Then we will analyze this data and prepare a report and present our findings. In the next phase, we will work on designing the performance management system based off of those findings. This timeline includes pilot testing and a feedback session before our final presentation of the system. Which brings us to our final phase, rater training and system implementation. In order to align with the stakeholders, we will define our goals and review any potential gaps in training. Then we will develop courses to bridge this gap for our raters and supervisors. Finally, we will conduct one more round of beta testing prior to launch to allow for any additional adjustments. Now, my coworker Rena will go over the final part of our solution pitch, the implementation phase.
Thanks, Sydney. Hi, everyone. My name is Rena Alexander, and I'm going to go over implementation. Imagine we're embarking on a long journey, and the first step is creating a map. Phase 1 is about aligning stakeholders and defining goals, ensuring we're heading in the right direction together. This phase establishes clarity and shared expectations. Phase 2 is the planning stage. Picture it as drafting a recipe for success. We're crafting the ingredients, which will be tools such as training materials, performance standards, and rating systems to build a cohesive and practical system. Phase 3 is where theory meets practice. Think of it as baking a cake using our new recipe and ingredients, testing and refining the final product through rater training, feedback loops, and pilot testing to ensure a perfect outcome. Finally, Phase 4 is serving the finished product. We present a fully operational system that's been tested, refined, and ready to deliver results for Stylebox's customer support teams. Picture this. 2 team leads review the same employee's performance. One gives glowing praise while the other is overly critical. This inconsistency can disrupt trust and fairness. Rater training solves this problem. We'll guide raters through tools like graphic rating scales, teaching them how to identify clear performance anchors. This ensures everyone understands what excellent, satisfactory, or below par performance looks like. Bias is often invisible but powerful. Through interactive exercises, we'll expose and address biases like favoritism or recency bias, empowering raters to make objective decisions. Lastly, calibration sessions will be like team huddles, aligning all raters on consistent standards and ensuring fairness across every evaluation. Think of feedback as the heartbeat of employee growth. Quarterly reviews are like regular checkups, providing structured, formal feedback to ensure employees stay on track and thrive. Monthly check-ins are the day-to-day care, addressing small issues promptly and keeping employees motivated through timely, actionable insights. We'll train supervisors to give feedback that sticks. For instance, instead of vague praise, they might say, "Your quick resolution on that customer issue increased satisfaction scores by 15% this month." This ongoing dialogue ensures employees not only feel supported, but also see how their efforts directly contribute to Stylebox's mission of exceptional customer service. Introducing change can feel like climbing a mountain, where some employees may resist. By clearly communicating the why behind the performance management system, we build trust and buy-in. Scalability is another hurdle. Imagine balancing global consistency while honoring regional nuances. Tailored tools and adaptable practices will ensure seamless integration across all Stylebox's locations. Feedback fatigue is real, and employees can feel overwhelmed by constant input. By focusing on meaningful, targeted feedback, we'll ensure it feels helpful and not excessive. Through clear communication, adaptability, and a focus on quality feedback, Stylebox will overcome these challenges and see a smooth, effective implementation. Summing everything up, our approach is built on proven methods designed to deliver measurable results. We will start with a rigorous work analysis to identify key opportunities for performance improvement. Using cutting-edge tools like job simulations and critical incident-based evaluations, we ensure precise, actionable insights. To create lasting impact, we focus on comprehensive manager training, aligning employee behaviors with customer satisfaction goals. This not only drives sustainable improvements, but fosters a culture of long-term excellence, ensuring your success is both immediate and enduring. We are ready to help Stylebox achieve measurable improvements and lasting success. Let's build a system that inspires your teams and delights your customers.